Welcome to the myprojectbazaar.com. This is a project titled Web Product Ranking Using Opinion Mining. This is abstract of our project. Data mining refers to extracting or mining knowledge from large amounts of data stored either in a data warehouse or other information repositories like database. Data mining has mostly get an important area for research. The term is actually defined misnomer. Online shopping is becoming increasingly important as more and more manufacturers sell products on the internet, and many users are using the internet to express and share their opinions. It is necessary to design effective systems to summarize the pros and cons of product characteristics so that consumers can quickly find their favorable products. Some of the information are product reviews, product popularity, and product releasement. Finally, evaluate the experimental results, show the systems practical, and the ranking results are interesting. In this process, we evaluate the ranking results based on an XML evaluation. Here we calculate the term frequencies, inverse term frequencies, and the score calculation. Based on the score calculation, we assign the rank. After assigning the rank, we suggest the opinions to the users. The users who are like such products, based on the ranking, we can able to purchase the informations. This is the DFT of our process. For this DFT, the input is a product reviews. The product reviews may be a camera reviews, cell phone reviews, etc. After collecting the review from the internet, we process the tagging. The tagging is performed by POS tagger. It is nothing but a tool which tag the information, that is, which separates the subject, verb, noun, adjective, etc. After that, we just extract the information with removing the tags from the information. After that, we extract the futures alone from the information. After extracting the futures, we perform the term frequency calculation. Term frequency calculation is nothing but the number of occurrences divided by the overall count. After this calculation, we perform the inverse document frequency. The inverse document frequency is nothing but reverse of the term frequency, but with some log values, we process that information. After this two evaluation, we are going to identify the sentence polarity. The sentence polarity is nothing but identify whether it is a positive one or a negative one. After identifying this, we are going to build the XML product file. The XML product file consists of the product ID, product name, product features, and project score, etc. After processing this, we perform the product ranking calculation. After the ranking calculation, we perform the ranking process based on the score evaluation. Finally, based on the ranking results, we show the results to the user. Based on the ranked result, he can able to purchase the product. Let us see the demo of our process. Just enter into the namespace and right click page.java. This is our home page. Web product ranking using opinion mining. We enter into the process. Then browse the dataset. In this, we select the dataset. Inside, we can choose Nokia or Canon. Open. The information in the dataset is loaded successfully. Next. Then we are going to perform the POS tagging process. The tagger code is inside this tagging. The tagging takes place for the all our input dataset. The tagging takes place like this. After the tagging process, it shows the both results before tagging and after tagging. This is a before tagging results. This is a after tagging results. These are the tagged. This is, for example, if battery is a noun, means it tagged that battery as a /nn. Likewise, it tagged all the information, adjective, noun, verb, etc. Then we perform the extraction process. In the extraction, it extracts the features from our datasets. it just remove the tags and show the informations present in our dataset in the Canon G3 and the another one in our dataset. These are all the information, that is battery life, touch-up, software, etc. These are all the informations present in our dataset. Using this information, we are going to perform the term frequency and inverse term frequency calculations. First of all, we count the word. The word count process takes place. Using this word count only, we can able to evaluate the term frequency. So then term frequency calculation takes place. This is the term frequency value of the each and every word. The term frequency is calculated based on the number of occurrences of the each word divided by the overall word. Then next, we are going to calculate the opinion strength calculation. It is nothing but a OS calculation. The opinion strength calculation takes place by identifying the word, that is, we just extract the adjective words from our dataset, that is, which is given by the users, which is are the reviews, that is, whether the particular product is a positive one or a negative one. For example, in this, it is easy. This camera is easy to handle. So, to evaluate this opinion strength, we are going to evaluate the positive opinion strength and negative opinion strength. How much the review given by the user is a positive to the particular feature, how much the review is negative, that is given by the user. Next, we are going to evaluate the inverse document frequency. It is nothing but the inverse of the term frequency with some log values. Then we are going to calculate the degree calculation. It is nothing but the degree of adverbs, whether it comes under the first category adverb, or it comes under the second category adverb, or it comes under the third category, whether it is a good or better or best. Likewise, if we fix up the values, we fix up the threshold values. Then we are going to evaluate the polarity. The polarity is nothing but whether it is a positive one or a negative one. Polarity calculation takes place. The polarity calculation has the combination of opinion strength, inverse document frequency. From that only we can able to evaluate the polarity of the adjective words, that is the reviews given by the users. These are all the features. Then after that, to structurize the information, that is to structurize the details of the product, we are going to perform the XML creation process. In the XML creation process, we just create the XML using the product ID, product features and evaluated score in a structurized format. We just create the XML and view the XML. In the XML, we are going to generate the tags. In the tags, it contains the product ID, product name and source where we collected this data set, and what are all the maximum number of reviews for the particular feature, and what are all the features inside it, what are all the reviews given by the users. Likewise, it shows all the information. It produces ID for each and every features also. Finally, it shows the scores also. This is a structurized UML. We can able to use this XML for the opinion identification process. Then we are going to perform the ranking calculation. In the ranking calculation, using the polarity and HF value, that is whether when the product is released and how many days the product has a good reviews. Likewise, using this information, we identify the average polarity. From the average polarity value, we predict the score evaluation. Finally, we show the ranked results. These are all the ranking score, that is a score for the Canon and Nikon. We evaluate this for results for these two products. These are all, this XML is for the second file. It processes for the second file and we perform the ranking for the second file and generate the ranked results. Thank you.